Science. Today we will have two professors from the Catholic of Maule University in the area of science. With you, the Professor Javiera. Hello. And the Professor Ricardo.
Hello.
Let's start with the experiment. Today we have a special experiment because it has the name the invisible can. So we will proceed to name the materials that will be used. A can soda, sandpaper, caustic soda or sodium hydroxide, water, 500 milliliters, baker and ice water. Then, once the materials are gathered, it is important to tell you about the several rules must have. That is why Professor Javiera is going to comment on the following.
You must wear gloves, apron and goggles before starting the activity. You mustn't dilute the caustic soda in hot water or only with cold water. You mustn't respect the safety regulation of the chemical products that you are going to use. Important. You should not ingest anything that you will use in the experiment. At the end of the experiment, you must discard the caustic soda through toilet.
Now, the Professor Ricardo is going to start with the experiment. You must be very attentive.
Hi Gus, the purpose of the experiment is that you can visualize the process of rust reduction in an experiment with everyday materials. Then, the baby on should polish the surface of the beverage can with a sandpaper remove the top coat of the wine from the drink. Is left suspended with the help of the water wrapped in a filtered beaker containing sodium hydroxide diluted in cold water and must stand for 2 hours. As you can see, there is wholly transparent plastic on the aluminum that contains it.
Wow, that's really amazing. But now there are many doubt how is possible that they can become transparent?
It is a process called oxygen reduction, where aluminum is coated. Protected layer of aluminum oxide, the aluminum oxide liquid. Aluminum for coordination complex that present a balance between acids and bases. The reaction is a follow. The reaction is kept fast and external. In the amount of water is well calculated. The waste is totally solid. In theory, the reaction is complete with 35 grams of aluminum, 40 grams of soda, and 80 grams of water. 8 aluminum grams approximately 10 liters of hydrogen are obtained.
The can of soda is placed in the container with high shake. Most concentrated solution is a hydroxide of sodium. Be careful when dissolving the soda in water of the solution adds up fast and is corrosive to the skin and explodes. The solution of soda enters the bottom of the bottle, making a lock that acts as a siphon. If the reaction is excessively violent, it is important to be very careful.
As we have already seen, caustic soda is highly corrosive and potentially dangerous, especially when it's coming into contact with water. Caustic soda attacks metallic materials, especially when it deals with aluminum, magnesium, zinc, and other alloys that contain them. Caustic soda can not only be corrosive to metal but also It can also cause severe burns and injuries to the eyes and skin. If caustic soda is swallowed, you have to raise your mouth and your shoulders, induce vomiting. In case of contact with skin or eyes, ingestion, inhalation, and other accidents with caustic soda, you must contact your doctor and go to the emergency room. While using caustic soda, you have to open the windows of the room where you are. Do you not close them until the end? Caustic soda is especially dangerous for both children and pets when it is ground and when dissolved in water.
Therefore, when using caustic soda, you must ensure that both children and pets are far away from where you are working. Other people are with your child using caustic soda, you should ask them to keep a safe distance from place where you are using it. If you store soda at home, you should keep it the safe as possible, hidden from children and pets, and if you can underlock and keep.
Always remember that you must be careful with dangerous reagents. We hope you liked the video and see you in our next chapter in Crazy Sciences. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.